Jump in bed and cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Hello, my dear crafters. Today I bring you some ideas for Christmas cards. We're all thinking of them and we're beginning to make some. So for today, I got together with my friends. You guys know, if you've been around long enough, you know that I have friends that I get together and I invite them to my home and I organize the whole table and we craft and we make cards. It's an easy thing to invite your friends, even if they're not crafters, because everybody knows what a card is and we can always make them. So yeah, today I got together with Erika and Lisa and we made some cards. So I'm going to show you mine and then I'll show their cards. And actually I was quite surprised. It's the first time they did this and they are pros. You'll see how beautiful their cards turned out. So let me just first show you what I worked with. We worked with the card, it's Spellbinders card kit of the month. They have these memberships and I have the link below to that. And this one is an old one. This one is from October 2023 and it's called Feeling Festive, because Spellbinders usually sells these cards, these card kits at a discount when they're older. So that's what I did. I bought it and now here we are. So let me show you my first card. Most of them I didn't do anything on the inside. I'm still going to stamp something, but that's what we did. So that's what I did. I used the beautiful, I have a video here and I'll see if I find it, showing this kit. And these are papers from the kit and it comes with so much ephemera and these puffy stickers here. So that's the first. I like to combine different papers. Here's another one. I just used a basic white base here and I used the paper on the top. And again, use the puffy stickers. I find that especially if you're going to sell them, people want to have sentiments on the front of the card. So that's why I usually try to put one. So I love this. These ephemera were gorgeous. So again, using two. This is actually see the top part, and I cut in half. So I use the top here and the bottom here, but it's from the same sheet of paper. So my merry sentiment there. Let me see. Yeah, this one I put a joy. It's a sticker from Hobby Lobby. So in this one, I used another base that I had. I bought this at Hobby Lobby as well, one of those boxes. So I used just a little piece of white paper here, and I used the ephemera. I did kind of a collage with some of the ephemera and but all the ephemera is from the kit. I just add sometimes some card bases like this one. This is not from the kit comes with white card bases. So that's where I do this kind of card here. So I just cover it with the paper that comes in the kit. But this one I used again from the same box from Hobby Lobby. And I used this stitched frame cutting die here with just a little piece. And yeah, here's another one. In this one I used two different washi tapes. This one is very thin, so I used two, and the white one that has gold too, and that's where I placed my sentiments. So I really like this one. I like to use this kind of base that has some kind of pattern because it just adds a little bit to it. Here's another one. This one I embossed. See, it looks like bricks. So I embossed and I used their white base, and I used a little bit of some of the ephemera, and always a good time. So I really like that one. And one more, no, two more. So this one again, used a die set to cut this this piece of paper here, this frame, and yeah, little house with Santa Claus. This is all the ephemeras are from the kids. So I always add a little bling too. So there you are, still nothing inside. And that's my last one. I used a base that has this paper here, and then I used another one just crossing, and a little bit of ephemera, and again these puffy stickers. So there you are. These are my cards. Now I'm going to show Lisa's and then Erika's cards. Okay, I made, I believe, 9. Let me see. Yeah, 8, 9. So I made 9 and they each made 6. So, no, 7. They each made 7. So there you are. These are my cards. Love them, and it's a great way to celebrate Christmas with your friends and a great way to get together and have some fun. They loved it, and I'm sure we'll be doing this again. So let's look at their cards now. Before I show their cards, I just want to show you 4 more because I've been making some more cards, and these 2 are special and I really wanted to share. So 2 more here, quite simple, a lot of ephemera, 2 different papers here, and here's the other one. I love this one, I love this ephemera. This is by Spellbinders. It's one that I've been using a lot, and this is a Merry Christmas. This sticker here is from Hobby Lobby. But look at these 2 here. So this one, very easy to make, is a fun fold. So it opens like this. So I was just in the mood of doing something different. Very easy. You might be thinking, how do you do that? Very easy. Basically, it's a regular card that folds this way, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. All you need to do is score in half. See? And you're going to fold it, and that's that. You just put something here. It can be a square, it can be round. I just used the round one, but you can use any shape. Yeah, so very easy. Again, regular card, score it in half, and you fold it. And then you're just going to decorate it with these 2 mats, and I also use the mat on the back. Quite easy, but fun, just to be different. And this one is my fave because I hardly ever make any. I don't think I even have shown you here any pop-up cards, but this one I decided to try some popping up. So look at that. So I created this scenery here with this little so I have this sky here with the falling star. This is all from Spellbinders. It's one of their I believe this is from a Christmas kit. So we have these little mountains here. We have this on the back, and little Mama Noel, and a little snowman. And I have an area here so that you can write something, Dear Santa. So yeah, pop up. Look at that. Very easy to make pop-ups. I'll have a tutorial soon. This is the easiest thing to make, this kind of pop-up, and I'll come up with a tutorial for you, okay? But very easy. I just wanted to show you. And you might be thinking, why are their hats like this? Well, one of those things, I made a mistake. So I put them way too far away, so when I closed, their hats were like sticking out. So that's what I did. I cut them. Sorry, couple, Noel couple, but I had to do it. So yeah, so there you go. One pop-up. And now let me show you Lisa's and Erika's cards.
your head 'cause Santa Claus comes to